Welcome to the introduction of Bodhami's Career Counselor Certification Program. Bodhami has designed this program in association with some of the highly experienced career counselors in the market with 20 plus years of experience. So friends, what is Bodhami? Bodhami is one of the leading career counseling platforms in India, and around 30,000 students have been counseled in the platform in the last 6 months. We also have a network of 100 plus counselors and 300 plus schools in India. Bodhami is an AI-powered career counseling and learning platform and has been founded by IIT IIM and SJIM alumnus. Before you register for the program, let us briefly understand why India needs career counselors. A recent survey by Times Job says that around 70% of working professionals are not happy at work in India, which means students miss to identify the suitable careers at the right age and the right stage, and they regret this the whole life.
People spend 70% of their active time in college or at work. Time survey indicates that 8 out of every 10 employees are unhappy with their work. We spend good time in choosing car, the bike we want to ride, and even the dress we want to wear. But we hardly spend any time to decide the right career.
And that is where the career counselors can play a stellar role in helping the students opt for the right careers and study streams based on the interest as well as the potential. Let us understand the demand of career counselors and the market potential in this area. A recent survey by MHR and EY says that the career counseling market size in India is close to 5,000 crore. India has 35 crore secondary and senior secondary students, with 92% of the students having no access to career counseling. The question comes, who needs career counseling? You will be surprised to know that your target audience can be anywhere starting from class 8 to the people who are already working professionals. Students in class 9th and 10th are looking for the right study streams because the career will largely depend on the study stream that they select. Students in class 11th and 12th are looking for the guidance to choose the right careers and start their preparations and guidance in terms of the exams and the colleges and which colleges offer the best courses. The graduates are looking for the right career choices in India and study abroad options. And the working professionals are looking for a guidance to make a career change. Career counseling is a noble profession, and the best thing about career counseling as a profession is that not only you help the students and professionals, but also you can earn really well if you are good as a counselor. Use the scientific tools and platforms and are effective in marketing your services. As part of this program, we also train you extensively on online and offline marketing techniques to multiply your students. Here is an example of the offerings you can make as a career counselor, which can range anywhere starting from 2,000 to 4,500 for a 1-hour session of counseling along with career guidance report, to a high sum of around 1 lakh rupees for counseling and mentorship programs on international college admissions. We certainly need you to be very thorough and understand the landscape of international colleges and the admission process. Here is the income potential for an average career counselor who can do around 10 to 15 counselings in a month and around 5 to 10 mentorship programs every year, with possibly around 1 to 2 international college admission mentorship. The income potential is somewhere between 1 to 2 lakh rupees per month. However, it certainly depends on how seriously you pursue career counseling as a profession, how effective you are in implementing the strategies that we give you in this program. Now comes a very important question. What is covered in this career counselor certification program? As we said earlier, Bodhami has designed the program in association with some of the highly experienced career counselors in market with 20 plus years of experience, and it is designed precisely in a way to make you completely ready as a career counselor at the end of the program. The program covers career counseling approach, framework and methodology, and details on how to conduct career counseling sessions. It covers the tool and technology needed to conduct career counseling, including the psychometric test and the career guidance report, how to interpret, analyze, and explain the report to the student. It also gives detail on the practical aspects of career counseling, such as setting up your career counseling center and pricing your counseling services. As the last part of the program, a live webinar is conducted on the commercial aspects of career counseling and strategies to use online and offline channels to establish and improve your brand as a career counselor and multiply your student. At the end of the program, you are enlisted on Bodhami's website as an associated career counselor. If you go to Bodhami's website, there is a page called Find Counselors Near Me. So when the students come on the website, they will be able to find your name in the cities or in the states that they belong to. And then they can directly contact you for your counseling services. So in the end, here is a snapshot of Bodhami's AI-powered career counseling platform. The platform has separate sections for counselors and students, the counselors' dashboards and the login, the students' dashboard and the login, the psychometric test, the career guidance report, and the student analytics, which gives you the detailed understanding of the student as well as the batches of student if you are doing a counseling in a school. Bodhami's career guidance report is a machine learning powered detailed career guidance report with sections such as students' brain mapping, persona analysis, skill gap analysis, skill gap fulfillment recommendations, streams and career selection recommendations, details of recommended careers, the top colleges and courses which the student can pursue for different careers.
Introducing Bodhami,
the world's most advanced learning platform which uses AI and machine learning algorithms to define the right career choices for you. We use artificial intelligence, machine learning, knowledge tree and a large number of persona sets to define the careers which are most suited for you. With our most powerful brain report, our report details out your brain strengths and weaknesses, your 360 profile, your skill map, your persona, and your top careers. We have analyzed more than 10,000 personas of the actual career professionals in more than 20 career streams.
So friends, here is your chance to become a certified career counselor. Register today for Bodhami's Career Counselor Certification Program. And I wish you all the best for your career. Thank you.